I come in, ma'am?
So, Bhumi, I'm really impressed with your management style in the last project. But एक सवाल है, ये 1 साल का gap दिख रहा है. What happened?
Well, Soumya,
अरे यार, ऐसा मत करो. Don't look nervous. Don't give that guilty silence. Sabbatical लेना कोई crime नहीं है. So definitely, please don't get defensive about it. Be confident. बोल दो कि this break was for your personal, professional growth, but underline the fact that now you are back 100%.
well, Soumya, that was a tough year personally. I was diagnosed with an illness, and the medical advice was to take some time so I can heal faster and get back into action soon. And now I'm back and ready to go.
Oh gosh, ill. What happened?
Actually, I was at work one day, and one day I started feeling a little dizzy. So I went to the doctor. So the doctor suggested me to undergo some tests.
First of all, realize companies are not trying to pry into every moment of your life with such questions. Interviewer को आपके medical history में कोई interest नहीं है. So therefore, these micro details that we provide in answers, not required. The company only wants to know if you are physically and mentally well placed to put 100% into your job. अगर आप सिर्फ पर्सनल बोल के बात को क्लोज करना चाहते हो, that's fine. But it would be a bit better if you can just state what category your sabbatical comes under, like medical, educational, you had to relocate homes. But please keep your answers short and simple.
Well, Soumya, that was a tough year personally. I had to take a sabbatical for medical reasons, and the entire thing took about 6 to 8 months to get under control. And now I have a clean bill of health, no issues.
So, Bhumi, you're returning to work after 12 months, sounds good. But you do know that the game has really changed now, especially in 2025. Do you think you can handle it now?
Yeah, I'm really focused and hardworking, and I'm sure I can succeed.
If you get this question, it's a golden opportunity for you to showcase your abilities. Please don't give vanilla answers. Emphasize how you stayed productive. कुछ upskilling, कोई certification, कोई freelance work किया होगा अपने personal time में, कुछ तो दो. Pro tip: weave in some new industry trend into your answer so that the conversation goes and it shows that you were on a sabbatical, but you are totally up to date.
Actually, after this sabbatical, I think now I'm more mentally and physically fit to handle a job of this nature. Though I was on a break, I've just finished a 3 months course on creating generative AI video content. So I worked on models, which I can show you here. Also, I'm sure you have been reading up on the recent criticism of AI generated ads by Coca-Cola and H&M. But I still think it's a very exciting trend, which opens up a lot of options in the Indian market.
Bhumi, it has been great fun talking to you. But before we close this conversation, I just wanted to share that I'm not very sure we can offer you a package similar to what you are expecting. So we may have to revisit that.
Okay, I'll probably think about it.
Guys, you can't close the interview like this. और मैं जानती हूँ कि ये थोड़ा tough है. The aim here is to maturely explain why your salary should be based on current market rates for your role and experience and not your last drawn salary. अगर आप सोच रहे हो बोल दिया तो हो गया, नहीं. And it's not over yet. If it's still not acceptable to them, and let's be honest, you're really keen to land this job, ask for a salary review after 3 months. Or at least a bonus if you're able to achieve a defined target within a time period. और आपके पास एक trump card है. Remind them that since you're on a break, you are an immediate joiner. Companies love that.
Well, thank you for asking about my salary expectations. While I did take a year-long sabbatical to focus on my health, I think I've stayed current with industry trends and maintained my professional skills through online courses and networking. My experience and expertise remain highly relevant, and I'm confident I can deliver immediate value in this role.
So guys, sabbatical लेने का मतलब career over नहीं होता. अगर सही तरीके से प्रेजेंट करोगे, यू कैन लैंड दैट ड्रीम जॉब. सो सी यू. बाय.